Elite Credit Card Pricing explained what you get for your money. The Elite Credit Card isn't just another rewards card, you won't believe the perks and benefits packed into one account. Most people get this wrong by assuming the annual fee is too high for the rewards, but the surprising truth is the card offers value that can easily offset its cost if used strategically. The annual fee is, which may seem steep at first glance. However, this card comes with premium benefits such as ATS points on dining, travel, and select entertainment categories, plus X points on all other purchases. Many cardholders find that the points earned on everyday spending quickly cover the annual fee. Most people overlook additional perks, including comprehensive travel insurance, airport lounge access, and concierge services that can save hundreds of dollars each year. Elite also offers a welcome bonus that can be worth up to in rewards after meeting the initial spending requirement. You won't believe how quickly this bonus can offset your first year's fee if you plan your spending efficiently. Furthermore, the card provides no foreign transaction fees, which is a major advantage for international travelers. In conclusion, while the Elite Credit Card carries a higher annual fee than standard cards, the combination of bonus points, high reward rates, travel perks, and insurance benefits offers excellent value for frequent spenders and travelers. For those who maximize rewards categories and take advantage of premium services, it's not just a credit card, it's a tool that can enhance your lifestyle while delivering tangible financial benefits.